This is Medicine from Your Kitchen segment. This is a Dark Village show, and this is the segment I guess you've been waiting for, the health segment with Edima. Edima, please tell us, what do you have for us today? What beautiful tips do you have for us today?
Today we'll be talking about coconut oil. Is it really as magical as everyone says it is? Does it cure every problem you have? So for some people it works wonders on their hair. It makes their hair softer and shinier and healthier. But for some people it makes their hair fall out. Also with the skin, some people say it makes their skin glow. Some people say it makes them drier than before. So it's all down to you testing and think it actually works for you. But the main thing we're talking about today with coconut oil is if it's safe for cooking. A lot of people say it's a healthier option than even olive oil and the regular vegetable oils. But to be honest, for stir fries it might be good, but when the coconut oil starts smoking, suddenly all those benefits you thought it would give you, it actually does worse than other oils. So you have to make sure it doesn't reach its smoking point when you're cooking with coconut oil, because it is quite high in saturated fats, so much more so than olive oil. Coconut oil can also be used on your nails to moisturize your cuticles, because a lot of people don't pay attention to their nails and wonder why it breaks off, but the nails need moisture just like everywhere else in your body.
Wow, so I can use coconut oil for my cuticles, morning and at night and all that, and my nails will grow.
Especially for people who do a lot of house chores, because they have drier hands than most.
Oh, that's great. Well, that's all the tips we have for you today. Thank you for watching, and we hope you'll join us next week. Don't forget to go to our social media platform and answer some simple questions, and you'll stand a chance to win some fantastic prizes on this show. Thank you for watching.